This product feels deja vu to me. Well, yes and no. This is the Dudios Zeus Bluetooth earbuds. But yes, this is the same manufacturer that makes SoundPEATS. So as usual, I expect good quality products from this company. And let's take a look at the box. Up front we have the Dudios logo, just like where SoundPEATS place their logos at. And we can see other similarity from this box that looks just like the SoundPEATS. On the back we can see the Zeus is water resistant. It doesn't say the water resistant rating, but at least it's definitely sweat proof. And the headphones do support aptX and wind tips. After we slide open the box, we can see there's a quick start guide, tells you how to charge and pair the device, and there's also a little warranty information at the bottom. And just like all other SoundPEATS products, this one also warns you that you don't want to use any charger that has more than 1 amp of output. And furthermore, inside the box we can see there is a pouch. Looks like it's made out of carbon fiber material, but it's not, it's just regular material. And as we pull out the dividers, we can see the case of the headphones. It does have the Dudios logo on it, and it's a hard shell case, feels pretty nice. Inside of this cutout we have more accessories. There's a whole bag of wind tips in different sizes, and the other bag contains ear tips, clips, and some cable management kit. And if you look close enough, you can actually see the clip management kit has the SoundPEATS logo on it. So that also confirms they're from the same manufacturer. And the only thing left in the box is just the manual. And it's pretty thick and it contains many languages. As we open the zipper of the hard shell carrying case, we can see the headphones, a micro USB charging cable, and surprisingly a carabiner is also included. That's pretty nice. You can easily install this carabiner and hang anywhere you want. So here's the headphone unit. As we can see, this headphone uses the same accessories like the wind tips and ear tips from the Q30. It does have built-in magnets so it'll snap together, and the casing of the headphones are a lot more cleaner. Besides the Dudios print on it, there's nothing else on the body. It feels pretty clean and premium. The control unit has the Nano Coating technology. This will prevent sweats or any other fluids damaging the unit. We have the plate pause, powering and pairing keys in the middle, volume up and down, or the sound selection keys on the side. There's a microphone hole and a LED indicator hidden underneath the coating. You cannot see the LED bulb, but it is covered in the see-through materials, kinda like a lot of Apple products. And on the side we have a watertight rubber door that covers the micro USB charging port, and there's nothing else on the back. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Dudios Zeus, where I give my pros and cons. And let's start with pros. I believe the internals and drivers of the Dudios Zeus are similar to the SoundPEATS Q30, which means the sound quality of these two headphones are pretty much neck and neck. The bass response is extremely punchy, mids and highs are also very clear and crisp. The overall sound signature is very rich, just like the SoundPEATS Q30. The Dudios fitting is extremely comfortable. The wind tips and the ear tips are made out of high quality materials. They're extremely comfortable to wear, and they should never hurt your ears or make you feel tired after wearing for a long time. And speaking of accessories, these headphones comes with a ton of options for you to choose from. There are 2 bags of wind tips and ear tips. There are 4 pairs of ear tips in different sizes in one bag, and 5 pairs of wind tips in different sizes in the other bag. And on top of that, there's an extra pair of medium-sized wind tips and ear tips already fitted on the headphones. When I looked at all the wind tips included in the bag, there are letters corresponding their sizes. You can find L, M, or S engraved on the wind tips rubber. With the options they provide, you will never get confused putting on the wrong size. With these many choices, I don't think anybody will have any problem finding the right size for your ear. Other accessories like the carrying pouch is also very nice. Instead of getting a pouch like the SoundPEATS products, Dudios do give you this hard shell case and a carabiners along with it, so you can pretty much hang anywhere you want and makes it very convenient. The headphones body design is extremely simplified. There is minimum branding on the casing of the headphones, which makes the headphone extremely sleek and neat. I can't even figure out if they use metal or plastic on the body casing. This definitely gives you more premium feelings of the Dudios Zeus. There are also many other great features carrying from the Q30. For example, it does have 7 to 8 hours of battery life, definitely in the longer range. It does have magnetic body design, so you can snap them together and wearing them like a necklace without worrying about them falling off. Since the Dudios Zeus are similar to the Q30, they also share the similar cons. For example, the Zeus has pretty thin cable. I wouldn't worry about the cable getting tangled up because they're pretty short, but it would have been nice if I see some flat noodle style cables. Just like all other SoundPEATS products, you have to make sure that you're using the right charger for this device. if you're using a wall charger, you don't want to use anything more than 1 amp. I heard a lot of people have complaints about the SoundPEATS products before. Things like their battery don't last that long, or the unit just simply die after a short time of use. But if you're using the right charger, these headphones should last you a very long time, just like my Q12, which I've been using more than a year now. So in conclusion, yes, I definitely recommend these headphones made by Dudios, or aka SoundPEATS. By spending about the same amount of money, you'll get more premium features on the Dudios, and that definitely sounds like a good deal for me. For more information about the Dudios Zeus, click the link in the description, like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.